The words of Greek origin, Potecaria and potecàriu, meaning pharmacy and chemist, are two terms in Sardinian language that have been used in Villacídro until recently. The small museum of Sa Potecaria stems from Doctor Ignazio Fánni's enthusiasm and conserves an amazing cultural heritage testifying to the history of pharmaceutics before the revolution that followed the industrialization of the sector. In the open gallery at its entrance and in the internal rooms of its yard, the Farmacia Fánni, located in Via Roma, contains a number of interesting items that certainly represented the indispensable equipment for a chemist. The earliest core of the museum comes from the ancient Farmacia Mancosu, bought by Dr. Nino Fánni in 1928, then inherited by his son Ignazio, who has been integrating the collection with several objects purchased worldwide. A visit to the museum is a real leap into the past to discover the ancient art of Sa Potecaria. An ancient pharmacy setting has been reproduced, including shelves and furniture, a counter, a till, a scale and much more, to let the visitor plunge into a charming, definitely unusual atmosphere. Ceramic and glass containers of any shape and boxes once used to keep herbs, salts and oils for the preparation of drugs are on display on ancient wooden shelves. The strange form of various instruments easily catches one's attention. Also noteworthy is a collection of aerosol machines, enema syringes and thermometers, balances, mortars, doctors' travel kits, an electroshock apparatus and ancient pill boxes, everything dating back to as early as 1600. A small galenic laboratory, the old tools of a chemical cabinet, and an original library containing ancient books on the pharmaceutical art and practice complete the museum. It is simply a true cultural surprise that will not fail to captivate visitors in the most pleasant way.